Howdy, this is David Groce, your Texas Tax and Lawman. Let's talk about making estimated tax payments. If you are self-employed or own a small business like an LLC or an S Corporation, making estimated payments will save you money. For the last 10 years, we've enjoyed historically low interest rates, which lessen the sting of not making estimated payments. However, since March of 2022, interest rates have risen 4 percentage points. These rate increases affect everything from home mortgages to car loans and the rates the IRS charges for late payment penalties. To be clear, there is no law that says you must make estimated payments. However, Internal Revenue Code Section 6654 says that if you do not make estimated payments, the IRS will charge you interest on the unpaid taxes from the estimated quarterly filing dates based on the underpayment tax rate. When these rates were 4 points lower, many small business owners opted to sit on their cash and not make estimated payments. They simply paid all they owed by 4/15 and paid the interest due. But now, the underpayment tax rate is 7%, and that interest rate compounds daily. Estimated payments present a method to save the 7% interest charge. If you owe $20,000 in tax, that late payment interest would be $1,400 if you paid by April 15th. To save this penalty, you need to use the IRS safe harbor rule and pay in either 100% of the tax you owe or 110% of last year's tax in quarterly estimates. So let's suppose you owe $18,000 in taxes for 2023. Your safe harbor amount for 2024 would be 110% of that $18,000, which is $19,800. For simplicity, let's round up to $20,000 as your 2024 safe harbor amount. You need to pay this $20,000 in 4 quarterly installments that will be due as follows: April 18th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of 2024. When you come to April 15th, 2024, you will have already paid your estimated tax due of $20,000, and you would not be charged the $1,400 penalty. To make your payment, you can mail a check using the 1040 ES vouchers. If we prepare your taxes, email us. We will be glad to send them to you or include them with your 2022 tax filings. Alternatively, you can go to www.irs.gov/payment and make an electronic payment online. Make sure to select 2023 as the tax year and estimated payment when it asks you what type of payment. In these economic times, every dollar counts. So if you have money in the bank or can afford to make these estimated payments at all, consider these estimated payments as a good investment. They are saving you, literally making you 7% interest. Until next time, adios.